Head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings, click on it, and then head over to other troubleshooters, and then find Bluetooth and click on run. For you, a scan will pop up, just do the scan. After the scan has been completed, it will tell you if it's been fixed or not. For the second method, head over to search and type in run, and then type in services.msc. And then this should open up. You want to find Bluetooth Audio Gateway and Bluetooth Support Service. Once you find them both, you want to right click on Audio Gateway, head over to Properties, and then make sure that Startup Type is on Automatic and click on OK. And you want to do the same thing for Bluetooth Support Service. So we're going to right click, Properties, Startup Type, Automatic, click on OK. Once you do that for both of these, you want to click on the first one, right click, and then click on Restart. And then wait for this to load. So for the next method, head over to Search and type in File Explorer, click on it. And then we're going to head over to this PC, and then you want to go to the drive where Windows is installed on. So for me, it's on the C drive. I'll click on the C drive, then I'll head over to Windows, then I'm going to scroll down until I see System32. Click on that, and then over here, you want to type in FSQU and click on Enter. Once all of this loads, you should see FSQUIRT. We're going to right click on this, and then click on Copy. Then we're going to paste it on our desktop. Then we're going to open it up, and you could use it to send files and receive files. Next, we're going to right click on the Windows icon and then click on Device Manager. Once that opens up, we want to see if we can see Bluetooth right here. If you can't see it, then head over to Action and then type in Scan for Hardware Changes. If you still don't see it, we're going to head over to Action, click on Add Legacy Hardware. Then we're going to click on Next. Then we want to click on Install the hardware that I manually select. Click on Next. And then you want to scroll down until you see Network Adapters, click on that, and then click on Next. And now you want to scroll down till you see Microsoft, and then you want to look for Bluetooth over here. If you don't have it, head over to Microsoft Corporation, and then you want to look for Bluetooth here as well. If you do have it, and you can install it, click on Next and just follow all of the steps. And then Bluetooth should appear over here. Next, we're going to head over to Search and type in CMD, then we're going to run it as administrator. Click on Yes. Then we're going to type in SFC /scan now. And then you want to run this scan and see if it works. After you do that scan, you want to run these 3 other scans on its own separately, and then your problem should be fixed.